Hey, it's Carson Daly. Ariana Grande recently joined me on the Daily Download and voiced her support of Kesha. Here's what she had to say.
Well, I love Kesha. I worked with her when I was a lot younger, and we've been, friends. I support her regardless of what is going on. And, I didn't know about a lot of this. You know what I mean? At the time, I was really young. We didn't discuss any of this. And, just the incredible double standards that we face on a daily basis in the industry and just in the world, it's shocking. I mean, I would be so amused, and pardon me if this comes across as sexist, but I don't think a male artist would be in the same position right now. Sorry. If I'm speaking out about something that I'm passionate about, I'm willing to take the brunt for fighting for what I believe in, and my fellow women are definitely something that I will always be one of the first to speak up about.